In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pinterest to your Shopify store. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening your Shopify admin. That means heading to the Shopify website and signing in with your credentials. If you haven't already created an account, this is the time to do so. Once you're logged in, you should see your Shopify admin dashboard, which is the central hub for managing your store. Now that you're in the dashboard, look on the left side of your screen. You'll see several options. You want to click on Apps. This section allows you to manage all the applications you've installed or would like to explore further. It's an essential part of enhancing your store's capabilities. After that, you will see an option to open the Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a vast library of various apps designed to help you improve your business, increase sales, and connect with your customers more effectively. Once you're in the App Store, you'll need to search for Pinterest. You can do this easily by utilizing the search bar located at the top of the page. Just type in Pinterest, and you should see a list of related apps. Look for the official Pinterest app in the results, which is specifically designed to work seamlessly with Shopify. When you found it, click on the app. You'll be taken to its detail page, which provides a little more information about what the app can do and how it integrates with your Shopify store. Now it's time to connect the two platforms, so you'll want to click on the Add App button. At this stage, take a moment to review the permissions that the app will require. This is crucial because you want to ensure that any app you add has the appropriate permissions that you're comfortable with. Permissions may include access to your store's products, customer information, and various other features. Once you've gone through this, you can safely click on Install. The app will then start installing, and you'll see some on-screen instructions to follow. This is where things get a little more interactive. You'll need to connect your Pinterest business account, so if you don't have one, you might want to create that ahead of time. Connecting your Pinterest business account will allow you to use Pinterest marketing tools effectively, enabling you to reach a wider audience. Once your Pinterest account is connected, you might need to complete the Pinterest authorization. This generally involves logging into your Pinterest account if you haven't already and granting the necessary permissions for the app to function. It can feel like a smooth transition from one platform to the other. Now that that's done, return back to your Shopify admin. Open the Pinterest app and take a moment to check that everything is connected properly. This is an important step to ensure all your products are syncing correctly with Pinterest and that you have access to all the marketing tools you need. And that's it. Your Shopify product feed will now be connected to Pinterest. This is a fantastic way to drive traffic to your store from Pinterest and tap into its enormous user base. You can now start sharing your products, creating targeted ads, and attracting potential customers who are browsing for inspiration. Once your Pinterest is all set up, don't forget to start pinning some of your best-selling items and showcase your brand. Remember that consistency is key, so regularly updating your pins and engaging with the community can significantly impact your visibility and sales. Thanks for watching.